down in that kitchen. My babe know it.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
It's Sunday. We done made our dinner. Football going. A little bit of everything going. Okay, the kids is cool. We cool. We chilling. And tomorrow holiday, we ain't gotta wake up early. Look at that dinner. Got some mac and cheese right there. Stove top. I got my cabbage right there. Look at that cabbage. And this ain't nothing but some regular mac and cheese. Look how wet it is. She drippy. Then got some fresh rice. She steamy, fresh, fluffy. Okay? Come on down to GIIGII's Kitchen. I'm be giving out free plates all day long, okay? I'm gonna feed you. I'm packing the plates and you get a shot. 2-3 shots. Baby, we giving out free plates today. We ain't gonna sell them. We just gonna give them away.
Free plate. Oh, we ain't gonna sell them?
Off the damn bone, okay? But don't play with me. I'm a fool in this kitchen. Don't play. I'm talking about like some old dancers giving up like mini documentaries on Soul Train YouTube. And I remember like 89. I think I started watching Soul Train in like 88, 89. I just remember a lot of these dancers all the way to like 2000. Soul Train was like, I would still bring Soul Train back. I miss Soul Train. They better bring Soul Train back. If they do, I'm gonna get no need. Am I the only one who eats everything? Like the kids' food they don't want to. I'm over here eating my baby's mashed potatoes, y'all. A baby. She's 7 months. Why they taste good? Then my daughter left her. We had nachos tonight, so I'm about to polish off her little leftover chicken and cheese. She ate all the chips and left chicken and cheese. I said, I'm about to eat that. I'm about to eat all of it. And then after that, I'm gonna make me a real plate of my enchilada, well, my nachos. Fully loaded. Dressed all up and eat that too. Cause I don't be gonna waste food. They leave so much food. That bowl of mashed potatoes was so full. I made too much. And then her food, they just don't be eating their food sometimes. Hey, you can't let it go to waste. You gotta eat it. So if you able to see this video and it's still on and I ain't took it off, that means they let me slide and let me ride. Cause I don't like that. They hurt my feelings. They keep telling me I'm ineligible and copyrighting me. I'm trying to take all the music off, so I don't know what it is. But I know this dinner done though. I'm feeling cute. I've been wearing my waist trainer, trying to get her down, eating right, trying to live my life, trying to live it like it's golden. My baby's 7 months. They about to be 1 and 7. My birthday in like a couple of days. The girl gonna be the big 41. I'm so excited. I'm a little depressed sometimes. I be like, dang, I'm 41 in a good way. Not depressed, but just be like in deep thought, like, damn, I'll be 41, y'all. I've been on this earth 41 years, and I lived a very crazy life, a long life. I'm just so happy to be here, y'all. So, just letting y'all know I love y'all. Have a good Sunday. Y'all be good, be great, and be blessed. Love y'all.